Welcome to day 7 or 8. Back to Spider-Man 2. Here we go. I can only do 60-minute videos, so I'm gonna try to get through stuff as quickly as possible. My iPad, unfortunately, is down.
Scratch marks.
Any sign of her?
Found some scratch marks with traces of metal. I'll run it to see if it matches her claws.
Sometimes when you have dogs, they have a difficult time with sharing their toys. Hey! I just told you no. I just told you no. I will put this toy up. Understand? You do not get to act like that.